Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi on Flixbus. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Flixbus application, which of course I have done right here. Now, where can you find Flixbus? You can find it on Google Play Store or you can find it on Apple Store. So launch any of the applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Flixbus, and that's going to take you to a window where you can follow the on-screen prompts to download and install. After installing the application, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Flixbus. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to connect to Wi-Fi on Flixbus. Now, once you're placing a booking, let's say you have added your from, your departure location and your destination location, and you've added your departure date and return date, and you've added your passengers, the number of people that will be following you, and click on search. And after clicking on search, you're going to see a wide array of buses and bus stations. So from there, when you see the details of the bus stations, you're going to find an option that says Wi-Fi. All right, so all of these ones do not seem like there is Wi-Fi attached to them. But once you click on any of the stations and takes you to this window, you're going to find free Wi-Fi attached. So I hope you can see that free Wi-Fi attached. So just go ahead and to be sure that there's free Wi-Fi attached to that station. Now, how can you connect to the Wi-Fi once you have seen that there's free Wi-Fi attached to that particular bus you want to enter? Now, usually you get directed to the entertainment portal automatically after connecting to Flixbus Wi-Fi. Now, if this does not happen automatically, you can access it anytime by opening media.flixbus.com. So go ahead and select media.flixbus.com, then accept terms and conditions and click on connect to Wi-Fi. And once you click on connect to Wi-Fi, that's going to be it. You're going to be connected to Flixbus Wi-Fi. So once you confirm that there's free Wi-Fi on the bus, once you get into the bus, just go ahead and open up your Wi-Fi. So let's say this is a Wi-Fi window. So let's go ahead and click on it. And once you click on it, then you'll be able to see Flixbus from any of these options. Select it and it's just going to be connected that way. So that's pretty much the process. All right, so you can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.